In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a page flip animation slide effect in PowerPoint. This is a simple but powerful transition that makes your presentation look more dynamic and professional, almost like you're flipping through the pages of a real book. Whether you're creating a business presentation, a school project, or even a digital booklet, this effect can instantly level up your slides. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either start a brand new presentation or open an existing file that you're currently working on. The page flip animation works best when you already have multiple slides prepared, so make sure your content is ready before applying the transition. Next, in the slide thumbnail panel on the left side of your screen, select the slides that you want to animate. If you only want to apply the page flip effect to one slide, simply click on that single slide. But if you want to apply the animation to multiple slides at the same time, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on each slide you want to include. This allows you to select multiple slides quickly without affecting the others. Once your slides are selected, move your cursor to the top menu and click on the Transitions tab. This is where PowerPoint allows you to control how one slide changes into the next. In the Transitions section, you'll see a row of different transition effects displayed. Now look for the small arrow at the end of the transition gallery. Click on that arrow to expand and view all available transition effects. This will open the full list of animations that PowerPoint offers. From the expanded list, scroll through the options and select Page Curl. As soon as you click on Page Curl, you'll see a preview of the effect applied to your selected slides. It creates a realistic page-turning animation, making it look like the slide is physically flipping over. After selecting Page Curl, you can further customize the effect using the options in the Transitions tab. You can adjust the duration to control how fast or slow the page flips. A shorter duration makes the transition feel quick and energetic, while a longer duration creates a smoother, more dramatic page turn. You can also choose whether the transition happens on mouse click or automatically after a certain amount of time. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your presentation feels. If you want the same page flip animation applied to all slides in your presentation, simply click the Apply to All button in the Transitions tab. This saves you time and ensures consistency throughout your slideshow. Once you're done, click on the Slideshow tab and select From Beginning to preview your presentation. Watch how the slides flip smoothly from one to the next. If needed, go back and tweak the duration or settings until you're satisfied with the final result. And that's it! You've successfully created a page flip animation slide effect in PowerPoint. It's quick, simple, and adds a professional touch to your presentations. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.